Hello, my channel focuses on pharmaceutical equipment. Our equipment catalog and main website are called Minipress.ru. We use a legal entity registered in Moscow to work with our clients. We accept payment for the equipment and services connected with searching for the equipment to our account in Moscow. We present ourselves as a Russian company with offices in Moscow and Minsk. Our experts will help you choose labeling machines. There are bench automatic with conveyor belt machines used to apply self-adhesive labels on canisters, vials, ampoules, tubes, bottles and boxes. In fact, we have the largest in Russia multi-language catalog of pharmaceutical equipment with photos, descriptions and, what is more important, with prices and video demonstration of the equipment in operation. Our company has an office in Shanghai and several managers who help in working with Chinese suppliers. These people have been working with us for a long time and we have full control of them. If the factory signs a contract with our Chinese company, we will refund the customer's money easily through the court. This gives more responsibility to factories when working with our orders. Chinese factories appreciate regular partners and customers from whom they regularly receive money for equipment. We help our clients. We try to understand the client's task as clearly as possible. Then start working to minimize the risks of buying equipment that will be non-operational. Our task is to give an option of the equipment that will solve the client's problems. Roman discourages up to 60% of the customers from the purchase of equipment they have chosen themselves. This indicates the presence of hidden problems and lack of understanding of process and technologies by our clients. Thanks for your interest in my channel. I make new videos every day. Write your questions in the comments and thank you for your likes under the video.